Hello guys, this is Progress FS speaking. Welcome to my YouTube channel. This is the continuation of the video on the 30 steps of best Forex or risk management. Like I told you in the previous video, you can see what is playing out in the monthly chart. I told you that Frata is going to come up on this particular candlestick. As you can see, it's confirmed that the market is still pulling down, and of course this candlestick is a bearish engulfing candlestick, the second one, indicating a possible massive retracement. So whichever way, the point is that the market is still pulling down on the monthly time frame, and that's what you should be very much interested in, the direction of the market for the month, so that whenever you want to make your entries, you will easily confirm it with the smaller time frame in order to determine the direction of the market and determine the area to make your entry. So in the weekly chart, you can see something played out. This is a fractal that came out in support of this particular direction as well. So this candlestick, as you can see, is still heading down in retracement. So but like I said, there might be possible pullback before it will gather the bearish momentum to retrace. So these are the key things you must take critical look at every month and every week, in order to use the smaller time frame to check the direction of the entry you should make. So, but if the market should retrace, know that it might get up to this place or above. So, but the retracement, as you can see here, is possibly going to get to 1.4000. So, but not being certain, but trying to tell you the possibility of the market to get that place is there. So, in every week, you check the direction of the market. Why? If you confirm the one for the month, then you confirm the one for the week. It will prepare your mind on what to do next in the smaller time frames, so that risk will be minimized and the mistakes. And of course, when the market has finally decided to pull down with every full force, you prepare your mind to take your risk, maybe in case if to accept your losses, maybe in case if you played against the market unknowingly. But it will be always advisable or that you wait. Once the market retraces to a possible sell option, you make a sell. It will be more advisable. Throughout this month and this week, of course, on the subsequent weeks that's gonna come up. So that it is, and these are the things you should check on weekly chart or time frame. Then again, just in case if the market, as you can see, is an uptrend, for clarity purposes, this is an uptrend, which if it is in a smaller time frame, I wouldn't advise you to play against the trend. But in this case, it's obvious the market is retracing. That is why, and you know it's a weekly time frame, it has a long way to go, and used to have a very big impact in the smaller time frames. So definitely, once the market gets to this point, you should prepare your mind to either opt out or anywhere around this place, either opt out, because the coming month, of course, will be the last month of the year, but there is possibility for the market to pull up massively in continuation of this trend you see here. So as you can see, this is bullish engulfing candlestick confirming the uptrend, and You can see what happened in the market. It flown up to this end. So once you get to the weekly time frame, like I said, check this and prepare your mind for the week on what to do. But that doesn't mean you should make entry immediately. It is dangerous, like I told you. This gap from here to this place is a lot. It's very much a lot. So, and it's not advisable to make a sell option here if you have a smaller account size. So take note of the test, and of course subscribe to my YouTube channel, because the real show, the real fact, and the real analysis in this particular 30 steps of best forex risk management is going to display more in the smaller time frame, because that is where the decision making towards the entry points are. So these ones are just what confirms the direction of the market, and those ones, the subsequent videos which are still going to come up, are the major part of the video, because it has to do with the entry points and where to decide to make the entry. So see you in the coming video. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, watch the previous videos on how to use this particular strategy, what this line stands for, because as you can see in the weekly time frame, it shows where the market closed for the previous month, previous year, and where it opened the new year. So same thing is going to happen in this line later on. Don't mind the gap here, because when the market closes, it will adjust when it opens again. So that is it for this particular video. I'll see you in the next video. Subscribe to my YouTube channel and turn off the notification button in order to get the updates. Let's kill the market together, because I believe by the time I finish unveiling where the entry points, what really used to happen to decide where the market goes up or down, because you can see this particular candlestick used to control the entire week. So where to decide what pulls the market up and what pulls it down is in the subsequent video that is going to come up, and that is where the real deal are. See you in the next video.